Different steps of phagocytosis. So initially there will be margination in the area of infection. The neutrophil gets attached to the capillary endothelium. Then diapedesis occurs where neutrophils and monocytes can squeeze through pore of blood vessels, a process called as diapedesis. Then there can be chemotaxis where bacterial products interact with the plasma proteins and they produce chemotactic agents which attract neutrophil to the site of infection. This is called as chemotaxis. Chemotactic agents are components of complement system, leukotrienes, polypeptides from the lymphocytes, basophils, and mast cells. Opsonization. Opsonins are antibodies against bacteria. These antibodies cover the bacteria along with the component of complementary system, a process called as opsonization. Then phagocytosis. This coated bacteria attaches to receptors on neutrophil and they are engulfed by a neutrophil by endocytosis. Then, then there will be a degranulation inside the neutrophil. It becomes phagosome or phagocytic vacuole. Granules of neutrophil move towards phagocytic vacuole and discharge its content into it and kills the bacteria. During this, NADPH oxidase system is activated and there is a sharp increase in the oxygen uptake and metabolism, which is called as respiratory burst with a generation of superoxide radical and hydrogen peroxide. Free radical superoxide and hydrogen peroxide both oxidants and react to form hydroxyl radical, a potent bactericidal agent. This diagram showing different phases of phagocytosis. Initially there will be marginalization of the neutrophilic cells, so then there will be increase in the capillary permeability, because of which the neutrophils mainly they squeeze through the capillary membrane, the process which is called as diapedesis. Then some of the chemoactin substance produced by the bacteria, they are going to cause the attraction of the neutrophils. The process is called as chemotaxis. So then these neutrophils, they are going to phagocytosize the bacteria with the help of opsonization.